to my channel. If you guys are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and turn on your post notifications on. For today's video, I'm gonna be presenting an item that I've been wanting for forever. Finally came in, and let me just show you guys. Revlon Salon one-step hair dryer and volumizer. I've been wanting this item forever. I've seen so many good reviews about it, but honestly I wanted to try it out for myself. So without further ado, if you guys are interested in knowing how this makes my hair turn out, and it was really worth it. This was $56 at Target. So let's see what the hype is about. I'm gonna start off by unboxing it. Okay, so it comes with instructions. It just comes with instructions, and then it comes with the brush, obviously. So we're gonna plug this in. It's pretty nice. Like, it's pretty big. I didn't think it was gonna be this big. Honestly, I really hope this works out on my hair. Okay, so I plugged it in. Okay. So it has off, cool, low, and high. So it's like that's the cool, the low, and the high. Okay, so before I start blow drying my hair, I obviously gotta brush through it. I use these three things here. So this I use to detangle my hair. This I use for the prep. And okay, so then yes, I use this one for the prep. Please don't mind my nails. The prep and after. This actually helps my hair dry up, like make this time of the blow drying a little bit faster. Just a bit, not much, but it's pretty good and it smells really good. And then this one I use after to put on the ends because they're kind of dry sometimes. And yeah, so I'm gonna start off by putting just a bit of this because usually it's making my hair a little bit too oily. Okay, so then I grab this one, obviously, and then I just spray it all over my hair. This protects like the heat from the blow dryer. I am very like, I'm not trying to burn my hair any more than what it is. A little bit more in here. Run through the top as well. Okay. So then I grab my little clips and I like to section out my hair. I like to start from the bottom, so I'm just gonna grab up like mid half up, well more than that, and I leave this down because I have thin hair, but it's a lot of hair, so it takes a while to blow dry. So then I just put two because usually it comes off. Okay, so then I'm gonna go like this, and now I'm gonna grab it. I really don't know how to use. Guess we're gonna start off like this. dries pretty quick. I already love that it feels so soft and smooth, like compared to me straightening my hair. Like I prefer this than straightening my hair, obviously, who doesn't? So I'm gonna continue by doing the rest of my hair. Okay, now I'm moving to the next part of my hair. So far it's pretty good on the bottom, so can't wait to see the end result. Okay, now that I'm done with the rest of my hair at the bottom, I like to grab the top one and I put my hair to the front. I brush it out to the front. Well, I'm gonna part it first because the rest is gonna get mixed together, and I like to make sure that the front has the most volume because it's what brush it out, put it to the side, this one, and start doing this one here. Okay, then I just like to brush it out, and wow, this looks like I went to the salon. I love blowouts, like wow, look at my hair, it looks so wow. I'm really like impressed. Like for a blow dryer like brush, like usually when I even blow dry my hair with the brush, it doesn't come out this nice and volumized. Like that's why I like the front to look like that. That's why I bring it to the front, so I can make it look like that, so like it looks more like, you guys know what I mean, right? Wow. So this is my end results of the Salon One Step hair dryer and volumizer. I give this a 1 through 10, a 10. Like I'm really impressed because I love to have a nice volumized hair. Like wow, my god, I love it. I'm not even like faking this right now. I love it so much. I feel like the girls from the commercial, like wow, no, seriously, guys, like you guys need to go get this right now. After I'm done with blow drying my hair, I like to leave my hair in the middle. Like I like to have it in the center. I get my brush, I just brush out. It gets really tangled for me. My hair gets so tangled easily. Alright, so I brush it out. Reasons why I like to use that the L'Oreal, it's because how nice and shiny my hair looks. Since I dyed my hair blonde, my hair hasn't looked this good. So then I grab my Hydro Pearl replenishing hair oil. I get a little bit. I go like this, and then I just run it through my hair. especially the tips of my hair because they're pretty dead. And yeah, wow guys, I'm really impressed. Like, and if it wasn't for this, because with the blow dry and just the brush itself, I could never get it looking this volumizing. Like, my hair is like, since I dyed it, just hasn't been cooperating with me. But this is it. Make sure you guys go purchase, you guys. Okay guys, so that was all for today. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, or just give it a thumbs up just to give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe. And if you guys enjoy review videos, please comment down what you would like for me to review. Thank you guys. See you next time.